The dark web exists beyond borders, but the laws that govern it don't. How you're allowed to access, use, and explore anonymous networks can depend entirely on where you live. Let's break down how major regions approach dark web access, privacy, and enforcement. United States. In the US, accessing the dark web, including using tools like Tor, is completely legal. There are no laws against using privacy networks or anonymous browsers. However, the moment you engage in illegal activities, your anonymity won't protect you. The US has strong surveillance capabilities and a long track record of undercover operations. Agencies like the FBI, DEA, and NSA actively monitor dark web forums and marketplaces, and they prosecute aggressively when crimes are discovered. Whistleblowing platforms are a legal gray area, protected in some contexts but risky in others. The U.S. is also home to some of the most powerful tools for blockchain analysis and digital tracking. Bottom line, privacy is legal, but you're still being watched. European Union. In the EU, digital privacy is taken very seriously. The General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, gives citizens broad rights over their data, online tracking, and digital identity. Tor and other anonymity tools are fully legal in most EU countries and often used by journalists, activists, and researchers. However, law enforcement in the EU is highly coordinated. Agencies like Europol frequently work with U.S. counterparts to dismantle criminal dark web operations. In countries like Germany, France, and the Netherlands, simply hosting illegal content, even on a server you don't control, can be a crime. There's also growing momentum to regulate cryptocurrency use and end-to-end encryption, especially in response to terrorism and cybercrime. Bottom line, the EU respects privacy, but it's tightening the screws on encryption and financial anonymity. Asia-Pacific region. Regulation in Asia varies wildly from country to country. In China, the use of Tor, VPNs, or anonymous networks is often blocked or banned entirely. The government runs one of the most sophisticated censorship and surveillance systems in the world, known as the Great Firewall. Using the dark web in China can carry legal consequences, even if you're not breaking any laws beyond trying to access blocked content. In Japan, India, and South Korea, Tor is generally not illegal, but digital surveillance laws are expanding fast. Many Asian countries have vague or broad cybersecurity laws that can be used to target anonymous communication, even if it's not explicitly criminal. Bottom line, in many parts of Asia, anonymity may be technically legal, but it's closely monitored, discouraged, or penalized. So what does this mean for you? It means privacy is global, but not universal. Before you explore the dark web, know the rules in your country. Understanding how laws differ by region is part of using anonymity ethically and safely, wherever you are.